In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear wheel bearing on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick, go around and remove all of the plastic caps. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 5 lug studs. When we remove this last stud, the wheel is going to want to fall off. Have a hand on it. Remove the last lug stud and remove the wheel. We're going to start behind the rear wheel. Here we are looking up at the back of our wheel. We're going to remove our 2 caliper bolts using a 14mm triple square. Break them both free before removing them. Remove the bolts. Remove the caliper from around the rotor. We want to rest this so we have no tension on our brake hose. Using a T30 bit, remove the rotor screw and remove the rotor. Using a chisel, we're going to remove the cap. Use a hammer to tap on your chisel and pop the cap off. Remove the cap. Using an 18mm triple square, we're going to break the bolt free for the hub. Remove the bolt. Remove the hub. We're going to take our bolt over to a wire wheel and clean off the thread locker and the old rust. We'll see you after that. We have all of the old cleaned off of our bolt. Now we're going to add some new blue thread locker. I'm going to make sure my spindle is nice and clean and free from dirt. You can use a clean rag to clean it off. Install the bearing assembly. Be sure it's fully seated and get your bolt started. Snug it down. Torque the bolt to 200 Newton meters. Now we're going to go an additional 90 degrees. Get that extra 90 degrees. Install the cap. Get it fully bottomed out. Install the rotor and the screw. Install the caliper around the rotor. Install the caliper bracket bolts. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 90 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. I'm going to get 1 lug stud started. Snug it down. Install the rest of the lug studs. Snug them down with a gun. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to torque our lug studs to 103 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the plastic caps. and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.